Today we are going to install some LED strip lights in the ceiling. Alright. Alright, so let me see. We already went ahead and installed these 5 lights. Alright. That's them out there. That's them out. So now we're going to do these right here. Cool. We already have our cables out. We fish and find them. We throw a line and fish and find the cables like we will find fish in the sea. You know? The reason why we strip these cables is to do an installation resistance test on them. Just to find out if the cables are okay, because as you can see, the guys that did the ceiling, they were the one that cut out the holes for us, so we can put in the LED lights. Cool. Alright, so we have to check to see if they are damaged any of the cables. Alright, so all of them are okay so far, except this one. Let me see, where is it? So this one was giving us a bad reading. As you can see, they had nicked this cable, so everything else is okay. Alright, so we're now going to go ahead and install all the lights. So we are going to get our lights and put it in these slots here. The LED strip is going to be screwed right here on the support. Because it's a closed ceiling, we have to send all these return for the lights here to this here. I'm going to show you shortly. This here is the panel here. So you have to send all the cables from all these lights here. So there's going to be a little cutout there, or a little manual for us to like access the drivers and all the LED drivers for the lights. They're going to put them here. So